So I go hiking and this is what I find. I believe that is a Ford Ranchero. Here's where the driver would sit. There's the truck bed. There's the seats and part of the door. And let's see if we can go over here. 1 second. Oh, here's the wheel right there. And here's the front end. And there's the transmission right there. That's where the wheels would have gone. I have no clue what that is. This is crazy. Holy cow. Holy cow, man. Wow, okay. This is interesting. Wow. There's a bumper and there's the rear end. No clue what that is. Dio, what do you think?
I think it's pretty interesting.
Yeah.
You're always finding cool stuff.
Yeah. Okay.